This video guide is about getting rid of the online scam coming from the site Shortred.click. Shortred.click. This is a deceptive website attacking many browsers. In particular, it targets Google Chrome browser. The website tells that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. However, this information is totally faulty and deceptive. The real purpose of these pop-ups by Shortred.click is to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. At first glance, it might look as if the software is pretty decent, which is promoted, but when you click on Stay Protected button, you may be forwarded to some other deceptive sites that may promote a totally different software. So obviously these pop-ups by Shortred.click are very misleading and you should not trust them. The reason why you see these scary alerts in your browser is because of these intrusive web push notifications enabled in the right bottom part of your screen. Some of these ads may frustrate you with scary alerts like this one. And if you click on them, you may be brought to these junk sites that present a lot of faulty alerts. To remove these ads, do the following. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Delete any malicious sites that might be causing these troubles on your screen. Make sure you remove all of them, and after you get rid of all these malicious sites, the troubles should be fixed. However, my strong recommendation is that you additionally check your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching your computer with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.